All right, you guys, welcome to my fancy spreadsheet. Some of you already have access to this template. You've seen this before. This is where I have information on labs to order to keep track of your blood work, to identify your biological age, to keep track of your body measurements. If as you go through this journey, you replace some things, you can keep track on here of some of the savings that you have with your new health goals. So I just have to show you a couple things really quickly on this. You can totally edit every single one of these rows to make it what you want. If you are going to change up things that are just a single day, the easiest way to do that is just to go in the cell, and you can either use the hand to move it to a different day, or you can copy and paste and then go over here and delete. Okay. So let's see, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Right. Yeah, this is Sunday. Okay. And if you want to start it on Sunday, then just adjust these days, right? If in your mind, and you could even do SMTWTH, whatever. Like, feel free to customize it and make it your own, however you want. But the most important thing is probably down here. So what will happen is as you check things off throughout the day, watch this completed cell, boom. See how that number goes up? And then obviously that shifts how many you have incomplete and what your percentage is. Now, right now I have 17 items in Monday to complete. If you decide, you know what, I don't really care about putting these things in here, I'm going to go up here and edit and delete these rows, then what you'll need to do is change this formula. No, it's B3 to B19 false. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh yeah, this is still 17. It was these numbers down here for the menu plan stuff that are now 17 instead of 18, right? So the problem is down here, once you get to that row where it was 18 on Thursday, now you need to change that to 17. So this formula, you will need to adjust if you take out rows. If you take out half the rows, you want to come in here and delete the rows. This should still be safe. Yeah, this is adjusting with that delete, but now we only have 10 items to complete. So we have to change this formula to be 10 there. Does that make sense? So that as you click those off, we don't have a way incorrect percentage here. So it's honestly really easy. You may have to come back to this to, you know, remind yourself, like, how did she do that? But the most important thing is that whatever number is here is the number that you're dividing by here. So let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to like put the month here and then copy this. You could do multiple months in one sheet, however you want to do it. You could put very specific dates in here. And then, you know, it's up to you how much you want to put in here. Some people aren't going to put in those things that they don't even have to think about anymore. But maybe you make your bed every day and you just need, maybe the things you're putting on here are really hard and they're outside of your habits. And so you want to feel some good progress and like some easy checks to just get in that momentum of checking things off. So maybe you will put some things in here that you do every day anyway, and you don't have to think about. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoy. Feel free to customize however you want, and I hope it helps you.